Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the HUAWEI Mate SE. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $230. Now it's available in two colors, gold or silver. Now at $230, y'all know my motto, anything under $250, that's considered a budget phone. So this might be the best budget phone of the year. Now I know what y'all saying. What's the difference between the Honor 7X and the Mate SE? Well, these have the exact identical specs. All right, so there's basically no difference, just the name, but there's one key difference that we got to talk about. Now with the Honor 7X US version, you're getting 3 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage. Now with the Mate SE, you're getting 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage. That's the only difference. Other than that, all of the specs are identical. All right, so I'm not going to waste your time going through all of the specs. If you want to see that, just watch my Honor 7X video. Let's get right into this. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Here we go. HUAWEI Mate SE, $230. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got on deck. Shout out to the bat knife. Here we go. Look out, Zerks. Zerks trying to get a free haircut. Wow. Here we go. HUAWEI Mate SE. I know. All right, so inside. Now I went with the gold version. Here's your device. Let's get this little sticker out of here. Sticker struggle. Hold up. Rah! There it goes. All right, no sticker on the front. Let's power this up real quick. Okay. And let's see what else you get in the box. Now here's your SIM ejection tool. Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Here's your case. Typical HUAWEI case. Clear gel skin. Nothing too fancy. You get your fast charging power brick, and you get micro USB charging cable. So no USB Type-C. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now let me peel one more sticker off. Sticker struggles on deck. Hold on a second, y'all. All right, that sticker on the bottom was trolling me, but I finally got it off. So here we go. Unibody design. Feels good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Same dual camera setup. There goes your flash, fingerprint sensor, power button, volume up and down, SIM ejection tray right there. Your speaker on the bottom, micro USB charging slot, headphone jack, and your mic, and your dual camera setup on the front. Now, if you look at it right next to the Honor 7X, basically the only difference is you got HUAWEI branding versus Honor branding, and just the colors. All right, so 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage versus 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Do the math for yourself. All right, so I'm going to pause the video real quick. Let me drop some information and we'll set this up and we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we're back in. Now, I just put my information in the phone. I've been playing around with it for a few minutes. And honestly, this is my favorite budget phone so far. Now, as far as the specs, 100% identical. Basically, this is a HUAWEI 7X with more storage and more RAM. Other than that, everything is the same. All right, but let's go through the list real quick. I'll try to make this fast. Build quality. Feels good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Excellent. Premium feel to this. Nothing to complain about. Fingerprint sensor. 100% responsive. Now I said this before and I'll say it again. I think HUAWEI makes the best fingerprint sensors in the game. Super fast. Even on the budget phones, look how fast this opens up. That's just a tap. Opens right up. Now you're still getting that same HD display. Looks beautiful. Let's open up a video real quick. This way we can test the display and the speakers.
Hello everyone.
All right, so we'll take it over to War of the Gods. Now I'm going to breeze through a little bit. I'm actually going to watch this tonight. Let's see what it looks like. Now, I said the same thing about the 7X. I'm surprised the speaker actually sounds pretty good. Nice viewing angles. Zoom the screen to fit the whole video. This is a win. Let me pause this real quick. Now, keep in mind, you're spending under $250 for this. This is an all-around best budget phone. Let's go through the settings real quick. Now, there's some things I don't like. Of course, no USB Type-C in this day and age. That's a problem. Let's hit more. No NFC. Now, chances are, if you're buying a phone that's under $250, you're not going to get NFC. You can find some here and there, but Nothing to really complain about with that. Not the biggest deal in the world. Let's see what else you got. Home screen style. Now you can have an app drawer, or you can just have infinite apps scrolling left and right. I prefer to have the app drawer. Let's go to display real quick, see if there's anything to look at. All right, so you got your eye comfort mode. You can turn that off and on. Let's hit color temperatures. You got default, warm, and cold. Brightness. Now I usually leave this at max brightness. That's one of the downsides with not having a quad HD display. If you want to get those true vivid colors, you're going to have to pump that brightness up to max. All right, so that's pretty much it with display. Let's see if anything's different on the sound. Now you got your HUAWEI sound effects. That's only going to work when you plug your headphones in. And that makes it a little bit more EQ settings. All right, one more thing I wanted to show y'all real quick. Now, when you go to your drop-down menu right here, of course, you got all your notifications, but here's your different toggles. Now, you got a screenshot toggle, and you can add some more. You got screen recording. You got floating dock, mirror share. Now, floating dock, same on all the HUAWEI phones, just adds that little dock that you can move around. And this way, if you got small hands, and this is a big screen, you can use the floating dock instead of having to reach all the way to the bottom. Where was we? Let's exit out all this stuff. Let's take it back to the settings. Let's see, notification and status bar. Now, you do have a notification LED. Okay, you got your notification methods. You can choose icons or numbers. You can have your battery percentage show on the side of your icon or inside of your battery meter. I'm trying to do this fast. Or your fingerprint sensor. Let's go to smart assistants. All right, floating dock. I'll turn that on just so y'all can see. This is what it looks like. All right, so we'll turn it on. You got a little floating dock right here. You press that button. Now I can go back, hit my recently used apps, delete everything, or lock the screen, and you can move this around to wherever you want it. Let's see, you got your motion controls, not too many. You got your basic flip to mute, and your double tap to awake the screen. Double tap awake, fingerprint sensor. Now that fingerprint sensor is stupid fast, right? And stupid fast means good. Let's see, smart headset control, pretty much it. Let's exit out of that. And that's pretty much it. Oh, you got App Twin. Now you can have 2 Facebook apps running at the same time, 2 Messenger apps, and this also works with WhatsApp. I never use that, but if you download it, that'll appear in that box right there also. Let's go to About Phone real quick. Now you're running Android 7.0 Nugget. Shout out to the Nugget boys. Will this phone get Oreo? I highly doubt it. Now, one of the best features about this phone is the camera. So let's take it to the camera real quick. Let me show you a quick picture I just took. Now you got your portrait mode. Check this out. Xerxes, never smiling, but it's all good. I respect that. You got the bokeh effect, so you got the blurry background. You can actually adjust that if you want. So you go to your aperture effects. I could adjust the blur, or I could decrease it and move it to different areas where I want it to be blurry. So you're gonna have a lot of fun with the camera. You scroll over one side, unlimited features, all right? So you got photo, video, pro video. So pro mode on your camera and on your video camera, HDR, panorama. You got light painting, time lapse, slow motion, filters, effects, watermarks, audio notes, good food, and document scan. And you can also download some more. Now from the settings real quick, you got perfect smile. You got your audio controls, touch your capture, volume function. You got your World Star Hip Hop button. Let me show you how that works. So while the screen is off, double tap on the volume down, takes you right to your camera. Less than a second, point and shoot status. All right, so let's do a few point and shoots real quick. And we'll see how that looks. For less than 250 bucks, this is one of the best cameras you're gonna find on a budget phone. That's why I think this is my favorite budget phone. Build quality, the speakers, the battery life. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is a 3,345 milliamp battery, something like that. But the battery lasts all day on this, especially if you're using it as trap status. It's gonna last you all day, no problems. All right, so this is the HUAWEI Mate SE. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Like I said, this is my favorite budget phone right now. Now, shout out to Firetrap. I'm sending this to you in the mail. You got your choice. You want the gold or you want the red. Shout out to the Homeboy Shopping Network. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.